Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a simple yet powerful recipe, energy balls. They are not just delicious, they're a practical and a quick addition to your routine, perfect for a snack or a quick energy boost, and extremely easy to batch cook. Let's get cooking. These little powerhouses are a perfect energy boost for your active lifestyle. Packed with a combination of natural sweeteners, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and nutrient-rich ingredients, these energy balls are designed to fuel your physical activities. They not only provide a quick energy boost, but also offer a sustained energy release, supporting digestion and contributing to muscle function. Dates serve as a natural sweetener, offering a quick energy boost and helping bind the balls. After soaking 400 grams in warm water for about 20 minutes to soften them up, drain the water and place them in a food processor or blender. Blend for 1 minute until you achieve a paste-like texture with some small pieces for added texture. Into the blender, add 100 grams of vanilla protein powder, 120 grams of peanut butter, 200 grams of oats, 100 grams of desiccated coconut, 30 grams of chia seeds, and 60 grams of 85% cocoa chocolate chips. Blend until fully combined, pausing to scrape the size if needed. Depending on your preference, blend longer for a smoother mix until the ingredients start sticking together for chunkier balls. Once you achieve the desired texture, transfer the mixture to a tray or bowl. It should look something like this. I know it doesn't look very appetizing now, but that will change in a second. Now for the rolling, lay down another tray with parchment paper and, using a scale, take 25 grams of the mixture for each ball. Roll them between your hands until it forms an around the smooth ball. Then place on the tray with parchment paper and repeat this process for 42 to 45 times with this recipe. There will be a lot of rolling, so if you manage to convince your partner or family member like I just did, much better. For the final step, coat the balls with 50 grams of coconut. I weighted the remaining coconut on the tray and 30 grams were left, so the total recipe uses about 120 grams of desiccated coconut. Once finished, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week or freeze them for up to 3 months. I recommend make a big batch, once or twice a month. Here is the nutritional information for each bowl. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment, and please consider subscribing for more healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.